Herbs and spices play an important role in cuisines all around the world. We will be talking more about these spices and herbs in the upcoming videos. Let's talk about some of the spices and herbs I use in soups. You can purchase the spices online and the link is given in the description box below. Licorice, a sweet aromatic herb which is said to be effective for cough and sore throat. It is said to be good for heartburn and treat bacterial and viral infections. Astragalus is good for the immune system and improves stamina, strength and vitality. It is said to reduce inflammations in the body. Coriander seeds. Having a nutty citrusy flavor, coriander seeds are rich in vitamins, antioxidants and immune boosting properties. Cumin seeds. Belonging to the parsley family, cumin is said to have antiviral, anti-inflammatory and anti-cancer properties. It is said to aid in weight loss and is good for the stomach, hair and has immune boosting properties. Long pepper and cubeb pepper or tail pepper. Known as the king of spices, peppers are an excellent source of vitamin A, C, potassium, folic acid and fiber. It is said to be good for the digestion, cold, cough and has anti-inflammatory properties. Galangal. Belonging to the ginger family, it is said to be rich in antioxidants and reduces inflammations in the body. Being rich in vitamins, it is said to cure indigestion and cold. Turmeric. Also belonging to the ginger family, turmeric has a warm, pungent taste. It is said to be anti-inflammatory, it improves the liver function and is said to have blood thinning qualities. Coming to the herbs, thyme belongs to the mint family and is a fragrant herb with woody stems. It is said to fight bacterial and viral infections, thus being good for cold and cough. Bay leaves. Used as a flavoring in soups and stews, bay leaves are a good source of vitamin A, C, iron, potassium and calcium and hence said to be good for diabetes, indigestion and headaches. Holy basil. Said to be the queen of herbs, tulsi or holy basil has a peppery clove-like aromatic flavor and is said to be good for cold. It is also said to have antiviral, antifungal, antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. Cilantro. The entire plant of cilantro is edible and the roots have the most flavor. It is said to help in removing mercury, lead and aluminum from the body. The link for the cold immune herbal soup using these herbs and spices is given in the description box below. Please check it out and post your feedbacks please. Hope you enjoyed knowing about some of the herbs and spices. Let's talk more about other spices in the upcoming videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.